Thank you.
Okay, class. Is there any absent for today?
Nothing, ma'am.
Wow, very good. Okay, let us recall our classroom rules. What is our first rule? Yes, Benitez.
Be active in the classroom.
Wow. What else? Miss Alvarez. Keep our classroom clean. Wow, very good. And last, Miss Lucilatar.
Cell phone and gadgets are not allowed.
Wow, very good. Okay, class. Who can recall our previous lesson? Yes, Jacqueline.
It's all about bullying.
Wow, very good. Mr. Benitez, what can you say about bullying?
Bullying is a bad habit, ma'am. It's going to create a fight or a war with my classmates or my friends.
Wow, very good. And you, Miss Lucilatar, what can you remember our last topic?
Bullying have three kinds of bullying. These are verbal bullying, physical bullying, and social bullying.
Very good. May mga nakaalala po pala kayo ng mga nakaraan nating lesson. Now, let's move on to activity. Okay, class, are you excited for our activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Are you excited? Let's stand up and let's have an activity. Okay, class, please be seated. Class, what are you noticing about our activity?
Feeling so tired, ma'am.
Why? Why is still so tired?
Because
Yes, Mr.
hindi po kami sanay mag-exercise dahil kaya po mapagod ang pag-exercise.
Okay, Miss Alfred.
Mga po namin sinasabi na natin na physical activities ay ito ay parang makakatulong po sa atin parang ma-prevent po yung injuries habang nagpapagawa ng physical activities.
Yan, very good. Lahat ng mga sinabi nyo ay tama.
My class, before we go to our next topic, let me tell you our objectives. So after this lesson, all of you will be able to define injuries during physical activities and understand the importance of injuries prevention and practices. Next one is develop a posture attitudes towards safety during physical activities. And the last one is demonstrate the correct techniques and postures for various physical activities.
So class, our topic for today is all about injuries. So please read what is injuries.
Injuries are harm or damage that is caused to a person's body. They can result from various causes such as accidents, falls, sports activities, or physical activities.
Yan. Injuries is harm or damage that is causes to a person's body. Can you give an example of injuries in our body? Mr. Benitez.
When we play basketball, some of injuries is tapilok. Tapilok like this, ma'am.
Yan, very good. Okay, Miss Lucilatar, what else?
Knee injuries po.
And very good. How about you, Miss Alvarez?
Dislocation po.
Yan. Lahat ng mga sinabi nyo ay including in different types of injuries.
Take time to warm up and cool down properly with low-impact exercise that gradually increase or slow heart rate.
Yan, kailangan natin naman na mag-warm up and cool down properly. So, when we say warm up, so kailangan natin na magkaroon ng proper exercise to enhance our body and be active. So, pag sinabi naman natin cool down properly, so kailangan natin dito na magpahinga. So, in number 3 naman, Miss Rosilatar, please read.
Number 3, always wear the appropriate protective gear, such as helmets, mouth guards, pads, or fitted plates.
So, kapag sinabi natin always wear the appropriate protective gear. So, bakit kailangan natin magsuot ng mga appropriate protective gear? Mr. Benitez.
To prevent injuries, ma'am, and to prevent the kamatayan of your life.
Yan, very good. And how about you, Miss Alvarez?
So, nagkalit po tayo ng helmet para pumayawas ng magkabalot na ating mundo para mas malayo sa mga kalan.
Yan, very good. By the way, this is an example of the proper attire for physical activities. Number 4, Miss Alvarez, please read.
By playing multiple positions and different sports during the off-season.
So, when we say minimize overuse injuries, so by playing multiple positions, so nagkakaroon tayo ng different injuries in our body. So, pag meron tayong overuse ng pag-exercise or dun sa sports, pwede tayo magkaroon ng injury sa ating katawan. So, the number 5, Mr. Benitez, please read.
Keep track of weather condition to order to avoid heat, illness, or wet, slippery conditions that can lead to injuries.
Yan, kailangan naman natin mag-track ng condition. So, kailangan natin i-track yung condition kung safe ba sa labas, kung halimbawa ay mainit, ano ba yung kailangan nating dalahin or gamitin kapag mainit yung panahon or kapag maulan. So, the last one, Miss Kusilata, please read.
Drink enough to stay hydrated. If you wait until you're thirsty, it may be too late to hydrate.
Yan. So, kailangan natin maging hydrated. Para naman pag-exercise natin, magkaroon yung ating body ng energy. So, class, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, very good. So, now, we can proceed in our activity. So, I have a card here, and I will give it to you and put it in the appropriate place. So, as you can see here, there's a human body, and this flashcard ay may nakasulat dito ng mga different kinds of injury, and kailangan nyo i-dictate dito yung kung saan injuries ba dapat ito makukuha. So, come in front and kuhain mo. Very good. Alam pala ninyo kung saan ang mga parts ng katawan na pwedeng magkaroon ng injury.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you enjoy our activity for today. So let's see if you really understand our lesson. Again, what is injury? Miss Alvarez?
Ang injury part po yung mga pwede pong makakamit sa
types of injuries tayo na tinatawag na fracture at dislocate na mga injuries.
Yeah, very good. And how to prevent heart injuries during physical activity? Miss Lucilatar, how can we prevent injuries?
Para po ma-prevent po natin yung injuries ay kailangan po muna natin mag-warm up before bago tayo maglaro ng mga sports at magsuot din po tayo ng mga appropriate na gamit gaya ng pag-protect na po sa ating sarili.
Yeah, very good. At nagawan ba natin yung ating lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
So I have here an activity sheet and you will answer it in 5 minutes. Are you done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So pass it and sideward. Now I will group you into 3. So the first group will perform the role play on how to prevent the injuries during physical activity. And the second group will be preparing and drawing on what are the proper attire for physical activity. And the last one is make a slogan about an injury. Okay? The group 1 will present the role play. Please come forward.
Ito po yung para hindi tayo ng injury o maka-less ng injuries. Now, tayo po muna ay mag-stretching. Stretching. Sabay.
So for your assignment for today is you will going to list different types of physical activities that you will perform in your home. It will be passed on Friday.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, class dismissed. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye!